Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money lose value to inflation? There's a better way to protect and grow your wealth. Many people make the mistake of keeping all their savings in the bank, unaware of the risks and missed opportunities. Today, we'll explore 3 assets that can help you shield your wealth from inflation and generate substantial returns. Real estate. Real estate can provide stable income, appreciation, and leverage. Options include rental properties, commercial real estate, and REITs. The potential for long-term wealth growth, tax advantages, and income generation is significant. Precious metals. Precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum act as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Options include physical bullion, coins, and ETFs. These assets can preserve wealth, diversify portfolios, and offer stability. Stocks and bonds. Stocks and bonds offer growth potential and income generation. Diversifying investments across different asset classes and sectors is crucial. While there are risks, the rewards can be substantial with long-term investing. Call to action. Consult with a financial advisor to create a personalized investment plan. Check out reputable financial websites or books for further research. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more financial content. To recap, consider real estate, precious metals, and stocks and bonds to protect and grow your wealth. Taking proactive steps is essential.